Oh, brother. Yes, looks like I'm gonna have to do some work out here. This is my little side yard. I've got some natural stone tiles in here amongst the rock, the river rock. And see, it's too close to this. I keep having to chop this back, but this section here needs to be slid over. And every time I try to walk on here, I find I'm rubbing on here, or else I have to move over here and walk in the rocks. And the same thing when I go out here to the driveway along here. Here's the last one here. I should have at least one there, or maybe a double one there, so that when I come in to the side, I can step, boom, and right here, and then I can start going around. So I'm going to have to move these over, and so I try to walk on here just normal, and I can't really do it. And you know, yeah, it's going to take me a little bit of time. How long does it take to eat an elephant? Can you eat an elephant? Yes, you can, one bite at a time. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to move a few rocks at a time. I think there's some matting, some landscape matting underneath here. I'll just have to be careful and see, and I'll have to move the rocks away and do one at a time. And this is all I'm going to use. Right here is my hammer and a stiff putty knife. If you don't have a stiff putty knife, you need to get one. I always have a nice flexible one in here that I use. See here, this one I haven't used that much, have I? Because the tag's still on there. And here's an older one the same way, but after a while you start scraping on things and your edge starts wearing down. That's how that one got so round. It used to be square. But hey, I don't throw that away. I save it. See, look at this one. Look at this. I've used that so much. This is how it used to be. These are cheap throwaway ones. Look how much of that I've scraped away because I was cleaning grout off of stones out in the backyard and stuff. But I still save that. I keep that in my nail bag. And I keep this one. I don't use this to putty things on the wall or anything. I just use this to scrape things, to whack things, to hit things off with a hammer and stuff. This is a nice stout one. This one was a hide. I can't even read the name on here where it says it anymore, but this one's a lot stronger because see, the metal comes all the way up to the back in case you want to hit on there. You won't break your end off. But yeah, that's all I'm going to use. That and my trusty knee pad. Look how bad it is. And I need to I've got another one of those. It's just all rubber, but I kind of like this one. It used to be nice vinyl cover, and I would just hang on to it. And I've just worn that to smithereens. I got my knee brace on. I've got my back support on. I got my phone here so I can have some tunes. I got my toilet paper here in case I want to put that in for earplugs or to blow my nose. It seems like whenever I'm down on my knees, my hands and knees, my nose starts running. I don't know why that is. And I got my tape measure in here. I've got my pair of gloves in here too. I might even measure this out, you know, on what a comfortable step is, and then put another one and start off, you know, however I want, you know, because as I'm going out that way, I'll want it so that I can comfortably go that way, and then as I'm coming back, I want to comfortably come back. You know what I mean? And so as I start off, I'll probably leave these here and then left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, but slide everything over, and then I'll have to walk from the other side in a double one and then left, right, or however it makes sense so that it's comfortable to go both directions and I can get this slid over. See how far over to the tree it is? I need to just slide that over, and where those bushes are, I need to slide that over, add some over there, and I'm going to make this look good. I'm not going to actually show you my every step on here and what I'm going to do. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You know, you just move the rocks, slide this over however you want, put the river rock back up against it, and keep going and try to have a happy medium. And yes, I'm just trying to tell you, if you want to save money around the house, you don't have to pay somebody else to do stuff like this for you. You don't have to live with it and leave it like this and say, well, I don't know what else to do. It's going to take me forever to move this. Yeah, just spend some time and energy and effort on your own stuff around your house, and know that yes, you can do it. Anything worthwhile is going to take a little bit of time and effort on your part. So just get in the habit of doing things around the house yourself. That's what my video channel is all about. You want to prove to me that you can't save any money watching any of my YouTube videos? Go to my main channel page and go over and click on playlists. See all the stuff that I have on my channel, and tell me you can't save any money by doing things around the house on your own. Yes, you can. And I'm just here to tell you, I'm just an average Joe, okay? If I can do it, of course you can do it too. And I tell you on my channel sometimes, and I'm going to tell you right now, I won't make anything and post anything on my channel I think you can't do. So remember that. I'll show you what this looks like when I get done. Ooh-wee, same afternoon, probably, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours later. Look at this. Remember, there was a really big one here, and I didn't need that anymore, and I knew I needed something out here at the front. See? Put it right there. That's nice. That way, if you're enter or you're exiting with your left foot or your right foot, you're okay. Same thing here. You can pick either one of those, and then you got to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, all the way down. And then when you get to this end, you can stop here and go left, right, or right, left, left as you go. Because see, I got a double one here, and I had a double one out front. And then you can pick and choose which ones, and then you go left, right. And I got them all put back in there, everything all lined up. And see, that's been bugging me for the last couple years. No more. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Ooh, sure glad that's over with. I can mark that off my list.